All right, here's a quick tip helping you out. I always put pictures on here, and I'm going to show you how to do those pictures. I always do them with a little picture, do a little bit of Photoshop, and it helps me just to visualize this much quicker than trying to read section numbers, because I don't know what course this is or whatever, but I do know it because of here. So if you don't want to get into this pictures and get this all set up, so you got semester ones and semester twos and setting stuff up in the wrong areas, what you can always do is come here and I type out my course name, hour one, semester one, course name, hour two, semester two, or semester one. And then I just go print screen or use your snipping tool or whatever it is, save it, and then I always go H1 S1. And then I come into the class and I can edit the picture, attach the file H1S1, and that easy I can make this say something that actually means something. So that hopefully will help you out straightening that away. And where that really ends up helping you is if you want to ever copy an assignment. So you're going to hit copy to course. And when you copy to course, I can't see nearly as much here, but I can definitely see that picture and read it. So hopefully that helps you out, keep you organized a little bit.